welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to reset your tire pressure monitor system for your S550 Mustangs. So if you've second set of wheels, or if you're getting a new set for whatever reason and your tire pressure monitor system isn't quite working properly, you're going to need this retraining tool from Ford Motor Company, and then I'm going to show you the steps on how to do it. So first you'll get into your car, and then you're going to cycle the brake and the power multiple times. So first things first, you're going to put your foot on the brake, release it, and then you're going to cycle the power 3 times. So once, twice, 3 times. You're going to leave it on. You're going to put your foot on the brake, release it again, and then cycle it 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. And if you did it right, the 3rd time it'll beep at you. Focus. And then it'll say train left front tire. So you'll get back out, take the tool, point it at the tire pressure monitor sensor. Then you'll hear it beep and come back in, and it'll say, should tell you which one to go to. So it'll say train right front tire next, and then you just repeat the process until you get to all 4 corners. Interesting. Oh, there it goes. So come back in, double check which one is next. So now it says the right rear tire. So sometimes you'll have to play around with the point in what you're pointing at the tire in order to get it to work properly. There's that one, and next for last. Oh, come on. Alright, and then once all of those have gone through, it'll say training is complete, and you should have all your up-to-date pressures. I hope this helps. Thank you.